uh, Rule 113, Section 5, arrest without warrant when lawful. A person, officer, or a private person may, without a warrant, arrest person. A. In his presence, person to be arrested has committed, is actually committing, and is attempting to commit an offense. B. Uh, when an offense has just been committed and he has probable cause to, to believe, based on a personal knowledge of fact or circumstance, that the person to be arrested has committed it. C. When the person to be arrested is a prisoner who has escaped from a penal establishment, uh, or place where he is serving final judgment, or he is temporarily confined while his case is pending, or has escaped while being transferred from one confinement to another. In case filing under paragraph E and B above, the prisoner state that warrant shall be forthwith delivered. On Section 13, arrest after escape or receive uh, arrest after escape or rescue. If a person lawfully arrested, escape, or is rescued, immediately pursue or retake him without a warrant at any time and in any place within. Rule Rule 1 Rule 114, Section 23. Uh, arrest uh, arrest of accused uh, out of bail for the purpose of the surrendering the accused. The ombudsman may arrest him uh, or upon within authority endorsed on a certified copy of the understanding, cause him to be arrested by a police officer or any other person of a suitable age and discretion. Lastly, Rule 115, Section 1, right of accused. Section 1, rights of accused at the trial. In all criminal prosecution, the uh, accused be shall be entitled to the following rights: